Today, with a deep sense of pride, we come together with our family and friends to celebrate Canada Day. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to our valued partners and dedicated employees who truly are the people behind the power. Each of you are so important in our ongoing success across Canada, and I'm truly thankful for your support. As I take a moment to reflect on this past year, it is clear we are at an important part in our history, where government and industry are working together more and more to electrify our lives and to shape a greener, more sustainable future for our great nation. And I am truly blessed to have the opportunity to travel to our many communities across Canada and have had the privilege of connecting with our key partners there. From Fredericton, New Brunswick, to Montreal in Quebec, to Thunder Bay in Ontario, Saskatoon, and Abbotsford, BC. I've witnessed the resilience of Canadians among the wildfires in Calgary and floods in Laval. The way we come together to support our neighbors during times of need truly is remarkable, and the spirit of unity that defines us all as Canadians make me most proud. Here at Southwire, this same sense of deep pride and spirit fuels our own ambitions. I am proud of the numerous achievements we have made, particularly in the commitment to our strategy around diversity, equity, and inclusion. In looking ahead, I'm excited about the next phase of our journey, with a strong focus on continuous improvement, embracing a lean execution strategy, cultivating a culture of zero, and driving world-class service. All of these efforts align with our unwavering commitment to shape a Southwire as a sustainable company for the next century and beyond. It will also position Southwire to play a pivotal role in Canada's electrification strategy, contributing to a stronger and more sustainable Canada. Thanks again to everyone. Let's keep working together and moving forward together. I wish you all a very happy Canada Day. Thank you.